get it, the media.
This is a video series about the audience, and the big question we're trying to ask is, does the mass media influence the audience? Lots of media theorists have looked into this, and we're going to look at some of the main theories. The first theory we're going to look at is the hypodermic needle theory. This is the idea that the mass media injects thoughts, values, beliefs into the audience. And by doing that, it influences them and maybe changes their opinions. It suggests that the media is very powerful and controlling. The media injects its message straight into a passive audience. This idea came from media theorists, particularly looking at propaganda texts from World War I. This World War I poster shows the Germans to be these detestable beasts. The studies continued into the Second World War, and here's another poster which shows Nazi propaganda. You can see it shows the Jews as evil and sinister people. It seems really simple by today's standards with our media, but it was still considered a very powerful tool, because if the media can affect people like that, then it could sway wars, sway opinions, make people do things. Now, this theory has been criticised greatly, although we can still see examples of it happening today. Just look at advertising. Advertising used to be just simply showing the product, what it does, and what it can offer you.
Here is the new Band-Aid plastic strip with new Super Stick. It sticks better than any other bandage. The proof? Take a dry egg at room temperature. Touch the egg with any other bandage. Brand X, brand Y, brand Z. Not one sticks. But a Band-Aid plastic strip with new Super Stick sticks tight instantly.
Then it suddenly became more. It became about aspirations and associations. Look at Red Bull's advertising campaigns. They take these people who do these amazing stunts and tricks, and they just put their logo simply onto their equipment. Suddenly, Red Bull becomes associated with these amazing tricks and stunts. They become cool just by associating themselves with those incredible stunts. Levi Jeans had an amazing advert in the mid-80s. People went crazy after watching this advert. Sales of Levi Jeans shot up by 800%. This advert struck a chord with the young people of that time. He was a rebel without a cause, didn't care what the rest of society thought. Consumers wrote in their thousands to get a signed poster of this guy. And with this increase in sales, they had to take Levi's off the shelves because they couldn't produce them fast enough. The really crazy thing is that boxer short sales went up as well. This was strange because they weren't really the thing to wear in those days. And the only reason they put Nick Kamen in the boxer shorts is because they couldn't get away with putting him in a pair of briefs. This ad got everything right. This cool looking guy, all the girls love him, takes his clothes off because he just doesn't care. The ad was telling people, buy Levi Jeans and you can be like this guy. This is the classic aspirational model, a phrase often used apparently in advertising. You don't say anything about the merits of the product, you just say what sort of lifestyle it offers. And then by buying that product, you are buying that lifestyle, and wearing those clothes, wearing those items somehow makes you cool through association. So that's the hypodermic needle model. It is criticised widely today, but you can see that the media does affect people. Otherwise, why would advertisers spend so much on their adverts? It's probably a little extreme thinking of this guy being injected by a needle of the mass media. The main criticism has got to be that the audience are just sitting there passively being injected by this needle. So let's move on to some other theories. Click here for cultivation theory.